day, everyone. This is a Talk with Leo, and we do have another set of basic Korean language. Sana makatulong to sa inyo, lalo na pag you are very interested in terms of this particular topic. So, pag classroom setting yung pag-uusapan, so ibig sabihin may mga words na dapat nating matutunan and sana makatulong to sa inyo. So, keep on watching in terms of this vocabularies that we need to learn today, right? The first one is, of course, the teacher, right? In Hangul, son sang nim. Son sang nim. Again, son sang nim. Son sang nim. Right? That's in Hangul. So in Filipino, it's GURO, definitely. And in Bisaya, it's like Spanish. It's maestra or maestro. So, hala, nandiyan na yung maestra natin. Ganun yung, ay hindi pala. That's Tagalog pala yan. Nagkaalon. So, pag sa Cebuano kayo or sa Bisaya, so parating na yung, ay, nanang atong maestra. Ana. So, ibig sabihin, maestra or maestro. Pero mas matigas pa nga yun eh. Nandyan ang maestra nato. Ana. Okay, so, ana it means to say ganon. Okay, so, either we are using maestra or teacher. Okay, again, in Hangul, son sang nim. The next one is student, right? Student or student, right? Whatever you pronounce that word, I think it's acceptable. Student or student. Okay, so hakseng, right? In Hangul, right? It's hakseng. Hakseng. The teacher is son sang nim, and the second one is hakseng, the student. So in Tagalog, it is mag-aaral, right? Mag-aaral. That's in Tagalog term. So bata or mga bata na nag-aaral, right? Mag-aaral. And then sa Bisaya or Cebuano, you can pronounce it also estudyante. Right? Pareho lang halos sa Tagalog, right? Nandiyan yung mga estudyante. Ay, hindi pala ganun Tagalog na naman. Mingon di ay, nanapod ang mga estudyante o mga badlungon rabana. So, ibig sabihin, estudyante. We're using the word estudyante. Okay? Again, in teacher, son sang nim. In student or student, hakseng. How about number 3? Banchingo. Right? Banchingo, right? Chingu is a friend, right? So, you can put a ban, right? Banchingo, so that's classmates, right? Classmates or kaklase in Tagalog. In Bisaya or Cebuano, it is a classmate. Classmate, right? Wala, ano lang, right? I take note, ang dami mga Cebuano, so they are using such a thing. Pero mostly, ngayon, ang ginagamit na, classmate na, right? So, they are aware already, classmate. Pero, pag mga very common, right? Common student, so, ang ginagamit lagi, classmate. Okay? Classmate. Ay, na akong classmate. Oh, kung kauban. Dari na. Nandito na akong classmate. Okay? So, they are using classmate. So, again, a teacher, son sang nim, student, hakseng, and of course, a classmate, banchingo. Okay? Next one is piltong. Piltong. Piltong is a pencil case, right? Lagayan ng lapis in Tagalog. And then in Bisaya, butanganan sa lapis. Butanganan sa lapis. So again, piltong. Piltong, pencil case. The next one is the pencil itself, right? Yonpil. Yonpil. Yonpil, right? Yonpil, pencil. So in Tagalog, lapis or panulat, right? Panulat or lapis. And then in Bisaya, same lang, right? Almost the same, lapis or yung panulat, parang pangsuwat. So ganun lang yung nagbago, pangsuwat. So ibig sabihin, again, pencil case is a piltong pencil case, and then yonpil, it's a pencil, and then number 3 is shinmol, right? Shinmol or sinmol or shinmol. Shinmol. Okay, that's a newspapers or diaryo, right? Diaryo. in Tagalog. So, newspaper in English or pahayagan, right? And then sa Bisaya, wala. Diretso lang po. Pag sinasabi din na makita ng newspaper, newspaper din po yung ginagamit namin doon. So, again, Shinmun in Hangul, newspaper in English. Okay? So, Piltong, that's a pencil case. Yunpil, that's pencil. And Shinmun, that's newspaper. The next one is Sajon. 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 Right? Sajon is a dictionary. So, Sajon in Hangul, dictionary in English. In Tagalog, definitely it's a dictionaryo, right? We are using dictionaryo in Tagalog term. In Bisaya, dictionary din. Dictionary, right? Parang ganun, but almost the same, right? We are using English in terms of, ang bihira gamitin ng Bisaya pag magsabi ng dictionaryo, hindi. Ang laging ginagamit, dictionary. Dictionary talaga, English yung ginagamit. Kasi ang hirap naman pagsabihin ng mga Bisaya, pahiram po ng dictionaryo, right? Laging sinasabi, dictionary. So again, in Hangul, sajon, in English, a dictionary, right? A sajon, dictionary. The next one is kabang. Kabang in Tagalog is a bag, right? The bag. Backpack, right? So it's a different in terms of Hangul, right? But basta lagayan ng gamit, so it should be a kabang. Kabang, bag. And then, in Tagalog, of course, pwede rin siyang, ginagamit din sa Tagalog, bag na din, diretso, almost but we are using yung medyo malalim at makata sa paggamit ng lingwahe. They're using sisidlan, right? Lagayan, sisidlan. Or sa Bisaya naman, bag pa din. We are using bag or sudlanan, right? Sudlanan. So, again, kabang, bag. In Tagalog, it is sisidlan or lagayan ng gamit, ganon. And then, sudlanan sa Bisaya. And the last one is check. Check. Chikol byuseo, right? Pakitingin, right? Or chikol byuseo. So, definitely, check is a book. So, in Hangul, check. In English, of course, it's a book. And then, in Tagalog, it is libro or aklat, right? Libro or aklat. In Bisaya, parang libro din, right? Libro, walang iba. Pahuwam ako ng libro. Can I borrow your book? Right? So, libro. Again, in sajon, in dictionary, then kabang in bag, and check in book. Then, the next one is a checksang. Checksang. Checksang wiye. Checksang. Checksang is the table or the desk, right? In Tagalog, it is a mesa. Or in Bisaya, it is lamisa. So, ibutang ang pagkaon sa lamisa. Lamisa. Checksang. In Hangul, in English, it is a table or a desk. And then, in Tagalog, it is a mesa. So, how about the next one? The word a chair. Chair in English, then therefore in Hangul, it is Ouija. 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 That is a chair. In Tagalog, it is upuan. That's a very simple translation, upuan. Kasi yung mga salumpwet, medyo malalim na yung translation na yon in terms of Tagalog. Right? Pero ginagamit pa rin yung lalo na pag nagsusulat ng mga matalinghagang salita. Okay? So, in Cebuano, it is lingkuranan. So, lingkuranan. Sige, hatagi naglingkuranan. Right? Butangi og lingkuranan. So, lingkuranan. Lingkuranan is a chair. So, again, checksang, a table. Ouija is a chair. Then, the next one is kongche. Right? Kongche. Kongchekul. Right? Kongche. The notebook. So, kongche. Check is, again, the book. So, you need to put a word before check. So, kongche. Kongche. Kongche is a notebook. And then in Tagalog, kwaderno. Okay? Kwaderno. In Bisaya, notebook. Notebook lang. Huh? Pero ginagamit din yun sa Tagalog, notebook. Right? Naintindihan na din yan. Okay? Again, table is a checksang. Then, Ouija for the chair, and definitely kongchek for the notebook. The next one is kawi. Kawi is scissors in English, right? Kawi. Kawi. Kawi is scissors. In Tagalog, gunting. Right? Gunting. In Bisaya, gunting rin. Walang pagkakaiba. Right? Asan gunting? Gunting. In Tagalog, very common. Gunting rin. Again, scissors, kawi. Okay? Then the next one is the board, the blackboard. Of course, pag whiteboard kasi, may translation din yun sa Hangul, right? So, we focus first with the blackboard, which is the chilpan, right? Chilpan. Again, in Hangul, chilpan. Chilpan is the blackboard. And then sa Tagalog, it is pisara. Pisara, okay? Pisara. Pero nung tinatanong ko si Mama with regards to the Cebuano ng blackboard, ang alam niya pisara din. So, during my time, ang alam ko lang talaga blackboard lang. Wala akong alam na pisara. So, alam natin pisara, pero in the Tagalog version yon. So, again, English, a blackboard. In Hangul, chilpan. Okay? Then, the next one is suob. Right? Suob. Suob is the class itself. Right? Klase. In Tagalog, klase. Suob. Okay? So, again, the scissors is kawi, and then the blackboard is chilpan, and then the last one is the suob, which is for the class or klase. Again, we need to review the particular words na napag-aralan natin, right? So, the first one is review. So, we do have sonsengnim, which is the teacher, and then hakseng, which is the student, and then panchingo, which is the classmate, right? Your classmate itself. And then piltong, right? The piltong, yung lagayan. And then, of course, yonpil, right? The yonpil, which is the pencil itself. And then, chinmun. And then, sajan, which is the dictionary. And then, kabang, which is the bag. Check, which is the book. And then, checksang, checksang, which is the, naalala pa ba? Checksang. Good, very good. And then, Ouija, right? The Ouija, and then, definitely the kongchek, and the chilpan, kawi, and suob. Again, thank you for watching with regards to this video, and I'm hoping na marami pa kayong matutunan ng mga vocabularies, simple vocabularies in Hangul. Supposedly, this one is intended for my grade 7 learners. Pag gusto nilang ulitin, paulit-ulit yung mga words, so pinapanood ko lang sila ng video. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless us all.